Thank you for dropping that.
Hey, drop something. And I know how much you love this. What are we doing?
Finally let go.
Yeah, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Wire on thingy-my-dads.
Well,
we're undoing wires off thingy-my-dads first.
You act like meth heads potentially did this.
I'm pretty sure they did.
Well, that...
We gotta figure out where the fuck that goes. Oh shit, now you're gonna get demonetized because I swore.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah, like that's some fucking hillbilly ghetto ass shit right
That's not,
there. It's not supposed to be there.
It's not even fun to say shit.
No. So we gotta figure out what the hell that is.
I'm really hoping that's my mercury light and why it's not working. It kind of looks as... It heads the right direction.
It looks rough like that, yeah. But we'll be able to figure out where that one goes too. So we'll have to pop all 3 sections of that off here.
Yep. So I'll start zipping that
out. Good news is all this garbage is coming out.
Indeed.
So, going back with that 20 amp circuit.
Oh yeah.
Some more power.
Oh yeah. We got, oh Jesus. We got lights. They don't work.
Yeah.
But they're gonna. They're gonna. See folks, basically quick fast right now, no fucking around. How we were supposed to start July, it is July 18th, 19th? One of them. Yeah, we're definitely not an eighth of the way through. So July, as you know, the 9th is my birthday. Today is the 18th or some shit, so that means you're gonna see this probably September of 2029. Because, you know, I'm real good at, oh dude, I got shit loaded in the Canon. I ain't done it. We got lights, okay? We were supposed to spend all of July working on that sumbitch and that sumbitch. Hasn't worked out. Spent the first 4 or 5 days without power. Great, not a big deal, not a big deal. And then smacked a deer, smacked a deer again, and then, you know, just kind of been playing catch up. So here we are. We started getting our lights and everything done up, and what we ran out of wire. Is that what it was?
Well, and midnight oil.
Well, yeah.
It was 3:30 in the morning.
Allegedly. Allegedly.
Last I looked.
So, oh yeah, and then he popped coolant line. So that was cool. So we were supposed to have gotten started at, you know, that morning. Didn't get started till like 6, 7 o'clock at night. Not a big deal.
Yeah.
It's fine.
But both trucks back up and running same day.
We did, yep.
Same day fix and turn around there.
Oh, that's right, yeah, because it cost me a day of pay and I fucked up.
Yep.
We got it handled. So, anyway, we're gonna put shit together. There's gonna be no B-roll. Unless you want to see some sweaty dude. That's gay. Anyway. Okay, red light's on. Take 2, because I'm retarded, didn't hit it, and we were missing some shit.
29th hour.
Yeah, we're only been at this. And okay, Jesus. I should probably turn that back off. People might see how fucking tired you are.
See my bald ass forehead.
Yeah, right? Unreal. I still like it because this was the brightest run right here with these lights, and now it's the darkest. You can turn that off. It'll be alright. I like it. Yeah. On that note, I'm finished talking to the people tomorrow because I'm too fucking tired for this. I'm over it. Red light's on. Take 2 because I'm retarded, didn't hit it, and we were missing some shit.
29th hour.
Yeah, we're only been at this. And okay, Jesus. Should probably turn that back off. People might see how. All right, so picking up where we left off, we basically made the inside of the barn brighter than my future, right? And it was always kind of neat because I got creative with lights and extension cords and this, that, and the other. And this actually used to be the bright part of the barn. And now it's the dark part of the barn. But like I said, now that is the dark side of the barn. And I'm gonna leave those lights there, but what I think needs to happen here is I need to put a light up there. So I've got one more that I can put up there that's got a long enough cord that'll reach my whatever the hell that thing is, my power strip. Good job, buddy. And yeah, I think that should do it. I got the holes marked already. We got thumb screws that we're gonna use, little J hooks. And we'll get that up there, and then we really got to start cleaning this mess up, which it's a mess. I like it. Not that, but all of this. I really do like it a lot. I did not get a lot of B-roll in this video. Did not really do a whole lot into it. Same spiel. You don't want to see our fat asses working. You don't want to, you know. It is what it is. We were focusing on the project at hand, but I like it. I like it a lot. There's not. Well, let me show you. Actually, hold on. Close that for dramatic effect. Which, real quick, my bikes finally have a fucking place to be. And I can see the corner of my barn, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little annoyed by this. This thing has been here for way too long, so I'm throwing it together. So you guys are gonna see me throwing this together. We'll talk about that in a minute. But if we go down the side of Lola, we got plenty of room. Again, I got room here for my bikes. It's a little easier to see when they're not covered, but I can get in between them. I can walk around them. Get to my fan. But we can still walk. YouTube change places, which I like. Again, all the light in the world, but we can walk around. Weight rack, still, we can walk around. Same thing. What's up, pimp? Probably gayest thing I've ever almost done. Plenty of room, plenty of light. We love it. Huge fan. And then, so we've got our light situation handled. Got my speakers rewired. All my outlets are set, so we don't have to worry about that fire hazard anymore. The outlets on that side are done. We've got a heavier circuit back here. My outlets out front are done, which is phenomenal. This building is significantly more usable. And that's really what I need, because this month I was supposed to, we're at the end of the month. I haven't done anything that I've wanted to other than get these lights done, and huge thank you to Bogey for helping me get it done. This was all an effort so that way I can start working on this truck right here, because this thing has been sitting, it's been sitting for 9 years. We hit a big burst on it, got divorced shortly after that, so I kind of put it on the back burner. Had to rob Peter to pay Paul for a couple things on it, and then that project shortly became kind of a wash. So we're gonna get to it. So this was kind of the drive, the inspiration to get it going, hitting deer, and the 6.5 being the pain in the ass that it's being. Video coming up on that. It just, you know, it is what it is. But we got this shit done, and I couldn't be happier. I could not be happier. So we're purging things. We got some shit in the back of the truck here that needs to be gone through. We got a couple things in the back of this one that we need to go through. And just kind of just purging shit that I've been holding on to for so very, very long that I no longer need. Again, I have an engine, transmission, and a transfer case down yonder floating around that do not belong here. Now I do have everything to put it back together, so we're going to go ahead and put this together. Quick run through. It's an LML. Head gasket job. It just is what it is. Needs some other stuff, but it's kind of been neglected, so I'm tired of tripping on it. So this is going to get put back together, and this is going to vacate. But that's what I got for you guys. I'm super stoked. We got this place cleaned out. We got a lot of the electrical hazards taken care of. I got to get a couple more banners up, and just I'm gonna enjoy my space, and I'm gonna use this as a grand opportunity. Like Bogey said, I mean, he was kind of joking, but I take the man very, very seriously. If there's one of the homies that I absolutely, when they say things, it resonates. It's him, and he said it best. no more excuses, brother. And you know what? He's right. So no more excuses. We're putting our heads down. We're getting to work. It's kind of a struggle to do what we want to do because, you know, things aren't panning out. But cry me a fucking river. That's life. That's how it works, you know. You gonna do something, you gonna fight for it. So anyway, that's what I got for you guys. Take care. God bless. Be good to one another. We will see you on the next one. Hopefully we make it a good one, guys. Say